Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will demonstrate you guys how the iEmployee, an employee management system, an object-oriented group project, on how this application and code works. First of all, as you can see, this is the login page where user is required to submit the username and password of the admin in charge of the employee data of a company. So there is two text field here, one a username and a password text field. So if you entered um, the wrong credentials, it will show an error. Username or password is incorrect. But if you entered the correct one, it will forward to the admin homepage. So on the admin homepage here, you can see there's four buttons. First is the manage employee list, attendance list, leave list, and logout. So this is the options that the admin have in order to systematically manage a an em, a company's employee database. So first, manage employee list. If you press here, this is where all of um, uh, the data on the employee or the profile on the employee, which contains the RD, name, date join, department, and other stuff related to their profile. So there's three buttons here. The first one is to add the employee, and then the remove and the edit. So the first one, add button. So let's say I've filled this form first. I've finished the form. Once I finish this, let's say I forgot to fill one. So I press submit. It will show an error to please fill in all the fields. So if I fill all of it, it should add an employee to the table. Here, as you can see, the employee is now added to the table. Person human is blah 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 blah. It's just an example of an employee. And also the add buttons contains the cancel button where if you accidentally press, you can press cancel here. So let's say you want to remove an employee. So you haven't selected any yet and you press remove. It orders you to select an employee you want to remove. So first you need to select the employee you want to remove. For example, I want to remove the person I've recently added here. So I just press remove here. So for the edit part, also same, you need to select one of the people here. So let's say here, this guy, I press edit. We'll get the credentials of it. And there's also the cancel button if you accidentally press. So let's say I want to change his department to probably HR maybe. So now I'll just press save here. It should save and update the data of the employee here. As you can see, it's changed from operations to HR here. So we go back with the back button to the back to the admin home screen. So now is the manage attendance list. So manage attendance list, you just press here. It should show the performance for each of the employee in a company. So let's say they have a good performance, which is above 30 hours. So it will display good, but below 30 hours, it will display as a bad performance here. So also there's a back button if you want to go back to the admin home screen. And then now there's the exit button that manages, I'm sorry. So now there's the manage leave list button. So if you press, it should show all of the leave list that has been approved or disapproved by the admin. So the admin here has the power to approve or disapprove a leave application. As you can see, this is the employee's leave application here. So the admin has the power to approve or disapprove the admin application here. So let's say the admin wants to disapprove the first leave and press disapprove, and the approval changes will change to decline. So let's say you want to accept this decline approval status, so you just press approve and it should be accepted. So next is the logout button. So if the admin is done with his or her work, press logout and it should exit from the application. So I think that's all from me and my group on the video demonstration, and thanks for watching.